Hey guys, let's see how to apply the Hostinger coupon code using the link. No code typing needed. To start getting the absolute best price on the comprehensive solution of agency hosting, perfect for managing multiple client websites, you need to click the Hostinger coupon code link in this video description. This link will take you directly to the Hostinger website and automatically apply the maximum discount. By clicking the link in the description, you secure an extra 20% off on all types of hosting that Hostinger offers, including web, cloud, VPS, and especially the powerful agency plans. Plus, clicking the link ensures you unlock essential benefits like a free domain, seamless website migration, and expert 24/7 customer service right after your purchase. For this video, I am choosing the agency hosting plan. Now, you can see how much discount you will get from Hostinger's current sale. But, this is not the final offer. Because you clicked the link in the description, you will get an extra 20% discount on top of the sale price. Without the link, you only get the standard Hostinger sale discount, so don't forget to click the link. Next, scroll down and look for the agency hosting section. Currently, there is one main plan available for agencies, priced at around 2,000 rupees per month. Click the Choose Plan button for that option. The next step is the order summary page. Here, you need to choose the billing period. The billing period is the most important part. Hostinger does not offer the discount for your renewal, so choose the longest available billing period, which is 12 months for this agency plan, to maximize your initial savings and save more money. Notice that for this plan, Hostinger is currently providing one extra month free in your order summary. Next, in the order summary, you can see the referral discount 20%. This is because of my link working automatically for you. Look closely, that 20% discount alone should show you have instantly saved around 5,000 rupees on your purchase. Now, hit the Continue button. Use a fresh email only and set a strong password. Once done, you will be redirected to the payment page. Complete your payment. You will receive an email confirmation, and that's it. You have claimed the Hostinger deal with the Hostinger coupon code link. It is very simple in just 2 minutes of work. Enjoy your new agency hosting plan with your significant savings, free domain, easy website migration, and included 24/7 expert customer service. Bye.